Hey there, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad and this is TechNews 9.0. And today is all about Apple, the tech company, not the fruit, since it has been in the news for a while now. So let's get started. First, let's look at the good news, at least for us Indians and consumers in general. Apple is shifting their manufacturing done by Foxconn from China to India, Tamil Nadu to be precise, after the recent and ongoing trade wars between US and China. How is this good for us? First of all, there is going to be a lot of job opportunities created by this move. Another great part of this is that we are going to get cheaper iPhones. Aha! This is because recently the price of iPhones have increased in India due to the high tariffs on imported smartphones, but have decreased the import rates for smartphone parts for increasing manufacturing in India by the Made by India policy. Also, there is a decreased import rates on smartphones if some of them are manufactured in India. Overall, what we can see is that in this year there will be a significant drop in the price of iPhones, as now the iPhones sell for almost double the rate as that in the US, which is due to the above mentioned tariff structure. But with iPhones being manufactured here in India, Apple can sell them at the same price as that in the US. Though this is a great deal, not because it is the first time Apple is manufacturing in India, as they already manufacture the iPhone SE since 2017 and iPhone 6s since 2018. But because they are going to manufacture the flagships like the iPhone X and XS, and that too not only for India but for the world market. Yes, from this year iPhones will have engravings that read "Designed in Cupertino, manufactured in India." At least now more people can afford to buy an iPhone in India, thereby bringing back life to the stagnated sales figures of iPhones in India. Also, this will make the iPhone X the most expensive and most premium iPhone ever assembled in India. Also, there is a chance they might come up with a less expensive device for the Indian and other Asian markets. It's just a slight chance. It may happen, it may not. Next up, we have folding iPhones. Yep, Apple has jumped onto the folding smartphones train and has filed a patent for folding iPhones. Well, if there is gonna be a folding iPhone, we can sure expect a lot of Android folding phones, just like the notch trend. But what do you think? Are folding phones necessary? Let me know in the poll here. Also, we will have to wait and see if they do come out or end up like the AirPower wireless charging hub that Apple had revealed long ago. Moving on, we have some bad news for Apple, as they pulled this iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 from the store shelves in Germany. The device that will no longer be sold in Germany are the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus. They will not be available anywhere in Germany, including the 15 official stores in Germany and Apple.com. The ban on the sales of devices is in response to the German court ruling that Apple infringed Qualcomm's intellectual property for power savings in smartphones, and a district court of Munich ordering Apple to pull the iPhone 7 and 8 models from stores in Germany. This is not the first legal battle between Apple and Qualcomm, as they are in legal battles all over the world. Although each battle is slightly different, all of them are based on the idea that Apple is using Qualcomm patents on iPhones without paying proper licensing fees, while Apple is accusing Qualcomm for abusing the patent system. Recently, Qualcomm did win one big battle in China, while similar cases in US, the home country of both the companies, were ruled in favor of Apple, and Qualcomm has been accused of playing dirty in some of the cases. Apple also got into controversy after CEO Tim Cook published a letter to investors revealing that iPhone sales are not as good as originally anticipated. Another news that is related to Apple is that it has published the details of the governments that have requested user data from Apple, how many times they have done so, and how many times Apple did give the data. From this, we can see that Apple has given the user data in 78% cases where the Indian government had asked for the data, and also the data was given in 3 emergency cases. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as usual, links to the articles will be in the description, so if you disliked the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and check out more videos from our channel here and in the description. Do subscribe and share if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave feedback and suggestions for future videos in the comment section, and turn on bell icon for getting notifications so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.